Hey guys, it's Tanya from TCB Cards. Thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to show you guys the March paper pumpkin kit. And if you see the box, and if you've seen the boxes before, you can tell that they're a little bit different. For the 5-year anniversary, this is the special 5-year anniversary box of paper pumpkin. And so let's see what's in it. So for the special 5-year anniversary, if you got your March kit, you received this special gift to say thank you. It says it's Paper Pumpkin's 5th anniversary we're celebrating. Please enjoy these wood embellishments as our way of saying thank you for 5 wonderful years of creativity and sharing. And I'll turn them over here so you can see. These are wood embellishments, so they're like thin pieces of wood, and they're all these different ones. This, it looks like it's black in the picture, but it's actually cut out. So that flower, if you put that flower on top of a colored cardstock, that color would come through on that rose. So those are really cool. It's like you got 2 different sheets, or 2 sheets of the same thing, I should say. So that's awesome, cool. The ink spot for this kit is Early Espresso. And the stamp set, I really love this stamp set. If you can see it, I'm trying to get it to where you guys can see it. You have May Good Things Grow All Year Long. You have a Happy Mother's Day. You have a little hello and a happy birthday. And then this one right here says, what a beautiful friendship we've grown. You guys can see that. And then, of course, the flower and the leaves and this little swirly right there. And I think these cards are just gorgeous. You can see them. That right there. A couple of flowers in the pink background. You got some really pretty ribbon there. And then you have these that look like little seed packets. And then this happy birthday card right there. And then this one right here. So there's 4 different cards. Looks like you get maybe 3 of each, and this one has 4. So, and there's all of your things to make your card with. And I'm not going to open it right now. I come back later, and hopefully I will be able to put one together for you. So anyway, this is March Paper Pumpkin Kit. If you are not subscribing to Paper Pumpkin and would like to, you get a kit every month, and you can always cancel or postpone your kit if you know you're going to be on vacation and you're not going to be able to do it that month. You can just postpone it till the next month. But I would love to earn your business, and would love for you to get your Paper Pumpkin subscription through me. So if you have any questions or would like to do that, please message me, or you can email me. Either way. Thanks, and I hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.